How you doing? Hey, listen, this is my 1988 Toyota pickup extra cab, and I had an issue with it that maybe you have with your Toyota. What it was is on a hot day, or when my truck was hot, driving on the freeway, say at 100-degree temperature, when I would park, when I'd go to start my car, it would just click, like click, 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 click. You know, you could hear the starter click, but it would not start. Then you sit there for 20 minutes and then turn the key and voila, it starts because your motor cooled down. So my mechanic, I took it to a professional shop. He replaced the starter and solenoid 3 times. We disconnected the alarm part, you know, for theft device for the starting the car, and none of that worked, and I had to pay for it. So I'm gonna tell you what fixed this for me, and I hope that it helps you, whoever's watching this. It also works on old GMC and Ford trucks, any older truck and stuff, but mine's a Toyota, so if you have a Toyota, watch this. So check this out. So all we did was add this one piece right here. Okay, there's my motor. See this right here? Right there. Okay, we got that at Summit Racing. I'm gonna zoom in on it. And what it is it's made by Painless Performance, and it's called a Hot Shot. And what it does is it adds a little more amperage to your solenoid, and it corrects when your starter's overheated or your electrical's getting kind of worn. Mine's 32 years old. It fixes it. It was 106 degrees after we put that in, and my truck started perfect. I've never had a trouble since. So let me show you kind of what you buy. So this is what it is. This is it right here. So let's zoom in here. That's it right there. It's called, again, Painless Performance Hot Shot Relay. And you can also buy these on Amazon. I think I spent $28 on it. I had my mechanic put it on. Didn't take him no time at all, because I'm not a mechanic. And I hope that fixes it for you. So good luck, everybody. Enjoy your truck. Take care. Bye-bye.